lesson. Hi students, so today we're going to do lesson 2 again, but it's going to be the Let's Read section of the lesson, okay? So if you look here, page 30 to 31 in your textbooks, okay? So, Let's Read section. We're going to quickly go through a story, okay? And practice your reading skills, okay? So let's go. Oh.
Let's read.
So, first part, before we start the story, first part of this lesson, I want you to tell me some information about Albert Schweitzer. Okay, so in German, in real German, his second name is Schweitzer. Okay, but in Korean, I think it's pronounced Shubai-jowo. Shubai-jowo. But that's probably wrong. But in German, it's pronounced Schweitzer. Okay, so what information here is correct about Albert Schweitzer? Can you tell me? Do you know? I'll give you some time to guess. Okay. Here's the answers, okay? He lives in Africa and he has a stethoscope. Stethoscope, okay? Because he is a doctor. Oisa, okay? So he has a stethoscope. But he is not a chemist. He does not use these tools. Okay, next. So, what I want you guys to do is listen to each sentence in this story, okay? I will pause it and play it and repeat each sentence for you so that you can learn to read and learn how to pronounce each sentence, okay? So, let's go. I can get to the play section. There we go. So,
Albert Schweitzer was a great doctor.
okay, Albert Schweitzer was a great doctor, okay? So, repeat that for yourself. Albert Schweitzer was a great doctor.
He helped poor and sick people in Africa.
Okay, he helped poor and sick people in Africa. Remember, sick, apa, that's the topic of our lesson, okay?
Hi, Bobo. What's wrong?
Recognize that? Do you notice that? What's wrong? Okay, if someone looks sick, you say, what's wrong? Or, what's the matter? Okay? Hi, Bobo. What's wrong?
I have a stomach ache.
I have a stomach ache. Where's that? Oriapa. Where is sick? Yes, stomach ache. Okay? I have a stomach ache. He is holding his stomach. Okay?
Take this medicine and drink warm water.
Okay? Take this medicine and drink warm water. Okay? So, if someone is sick, they have a stomach ache, maybe a cold, you might give them some medicine or say, take this medicine. Don't eat this medicine, we don't say. We say, take this medicine. Okay? We say, eat this banana. We can say that. But medicine, we say, take this medicine and drink warm water. Okay? So,
Albert Schweitzer was a great doctor.
sorry guys.
He helped poor and sick people in Africa.
Hi, Bobo. What's wrong?
I have a stomach ache.
Take this medicine and drink warm water.
Okay? So that's the whole sentence altogether, okay? So, next page. So, now he has another patient, okay? Jolie. So let's see what's wrong with Jolie.
What's wrong, Jolie?
I have a headache.
Okay, so what's wrong, Jolie? See, he says, what's wrong again? Or what's the matter? What's the problem? Is what you would ask. I have a headache. Where? Where is she sick? Headache. Easy, right? Headache. I have a headache. Okay? So, what's wrong, Jolie? I have a headache. Let's see what comes next. So can you read this? Picture or try and imagine what it says, okay?
Let me see.
I have a fever too.
Okay.
Jolie, you have a cold.
Okay, so Jolie has a headache and a fever too. Okay? Fever means your head is hot, but you feel cold. Okay? I have a fever and a headache. So Albert Schweitzer says, Jolie, you have a cold. Okay? So you can have a fever and a headache means you have a cold. Or maybe you have a runny nose means you also have a cold. Okay? So let's listen to the whole thing one more time. Okay?
What's wrong, Jolie?
I have a headache.
Let me see.
I have a fever too.
Jolie, you have a cold.
Okay, so practice that, read it, and think about it. Okay, what's wrong, Jolie? I have a headache. Let me see. I have a fever too. Jolie, you have a cold. Okay, so what's Albert Schweitzer going to do? Or what's Albert Schweitzer going to say to Jolie next? Let's see. Okay.
Take this medicine and get some rest here. Don't go outside today.
Okay, so he says, take this medicine and get some rest here. Okay, take this medicine and get some rest here. Okay, and don't go outside today. That is what he suggests to Jolie. Okay.
Thank you, Dr. Schweitzer.
Okay, and she says, thank you, Dr. Schweitzer. Okay, let's see what comes next.
Well, this is for you. I want to be a doctor like you.
Thank you.
Okay, so Jolie is so thankful for the doctor, Albert Schweitzer, for helping her, that she gives him a gift. Okay? And says, this is for you. I want to be a doctor like you someday. Okay? But remember key expressions like this. Take this medicine and get some rest. Okay? Or don't go outside today. Okay? Those are some suggestions you might say to someone who has a cold. Okay? So, what I want you guys to do is read through this and practice saying each sentence, and then listen to this video where I play it for you and I say the sentence, and see how close you can get to the video, to this video. Okay? Work on your pronunciation and practice your reading and speaking together. Okay?